Hello, this is Self-Regulated Learning Concept Map for Social Cognitive Theory. Self-regulated learning is knowing under what circumstances to use particular learning techniques and why they work. This process can be grouped into three categories: forethought phase, performance phase, self-reflection phase. Each phase comes into play at different points in time of pursuing a goal. In the forethought phase, students can start out with goal setting. Students set specific learning goals in order to achieve a certain outcome in a class or an assignment. Next is planning. Students can plan out a timeline and resources for a specific task. Then it's self-motivation. Students use self-efficacy strategies such as reward systems in order to accomplish a task. So if they do a certain number of pages, they can reward themselves with a break. Then a learner will get into the performance phase. In this phase, attention control is important. Students need to focus on the task and eliminate any distractions. Next, in this phase is flexible use of learning strategies. Students select strategies that will help them get closer to their goals, not set them back. Then it's self-monitoring. Students check their progress constantly and adjust their tasks and strategies accordingly. Next is appropriate help seeking. Students can seek help from teachers, peers, and other sources if they are stuck or can't figure out the task themselves. The last phase is the self-reflection phase. This is the last step in self-regulated learning. Once the students have reached their goals, they can evaluate their strategies and make adjustment for next time for a similar situation. Thank you for watching.